everyone, welcome back to another episode of GenAI vlog. So today we're going to demonstrate another end-to-end use case of the WYN360 coding agent. So with all that being said, let's turn our attention to the terminal. So here we are in the terminal. We fire up a session, WYN360. And here, as you can see, the model is Google Gemini, right? And I'm using a simple model, Gemini 2.5. Here, I just want to build a very simple use case. I want to build a Streamlit application that demonstrates the basic econ one-on-one model of supply and demand. It's as simple as that. And boom, there you go. It created all the artifacts for me. And in this case, it's a Python script. Of course, you can review it, but in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and deploy it, right? Just like that. We're gonna see what error it is and see how we can fix it. So in this case, I need to provide Hugging Face token, username, and the new name of the space that I'm about to create and deploy. In this case, I'm gonna call it basic econ demo app, right? Boom, just like that. It deployed the app for me. Now, of course, it's not perfect, right? There are a couple of things that does not exist correctly. So here in this case, we need to install dependencies. We did that again, deployed it, and I think here we have a name error, right? I think name error here, it's about some sort of syntax, but I'm gonna let the coding assistant to fix it for me by simply copy and pasting the error in there. Boom, just like that, we deploy it again. Here, now everything's all set. I can change the intercept, I can change the slope of the demand curve, but in this case, I want to create the calculation of dead weight loss, which does not exist yet. So I'm gonna say here in natural language, hey, do this and that, start with the default equilibrium, calculate dead weight loss for me, and I'm gonna see what error it has, right? In this case, we have a syntax error. Not to worry, we can copy and paste the error here and let the coding assistant to fix it for me. Now, of course, this slash quotation thing, you can fix it yourself, but in this case, I want to have the memory inside of the large language model, so I'm gonna have LM to fix it for me. Great, there we go, dead weight loss is calculated. We have a basic understanding of what the econ one-on-one microeconomics supply and demand curve model look like. So there you go. Hopefully this is an interesting episode for you. Really quick, end-to-end deployment at the tip of your finger. Boom, just like that. Boom, deploy. Hopefully this is a good learning tool, and I want this to be the case that not just a tool for engineers or AI majors, right? But also a general tool for pretty much anybody out there who want to get an in-depth understanding of the mathematical models out there for other subjects, social economics, politics, things like that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.